Welcome to a very quick tutorial on Pixlr. This tutorial is developed specifically for the MSCT program and getting started in using some very simple online photo editing apps. Now, I've navigated to pixlr.com, that is Pixlr.com. Once I'm here, there's all sorts of things that I could do, but I'm going to find the little chevron drop down here, or alternately, I could just simply scroll down. But essentially, if I click on this or scroll down, I come to the heart of what we're looking for, which is either to play with the Pixlr editor or Pixlr Express. In this particular case, I want to play with the Pixlr editor. It's a very, very wonderful tool in terms of its being full-bodied and robust enough for the average user. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Open Image from Computer, because I do have a computer image that I've already prepped and selected for this. I'm going to click on Open. Now, for this very first video, this is really straightforward. So all I'm basically doing is just showing you the variety of different kinds of things that you can do here. The first thing, of course, is that I can rotate the canvas if I wanted to, and I could crop my image if I needed to. I'm going to just go ahead and very briefly review the rest of these little options here, and then further videos later on will get us into some more specifics. Here is the layer tool. If you've never worked in a photo editing tool that has layers, layers are wonderful. Layers allow you to duplicate a layer, make changes to that layer, and then decide whether or not you want to keep it, whether you want to add to it. All sorts of very, very fun, cool things you can do with layers. Here's my adjustment tool in terms of setting up my brightness and my contrast for a particular image. I'm going to cancel that because I don't want to make changes just yet. Similar with my hue and saturation. Play around with those. This is not a tutorial on how to adequately or appropriately use any of these tools. I'm just showing you that these tools are available. We're going to be looking at curves and exposure and auto levels at a later tutorial, etc. But basically, I can do a variety of different kinds of things here. And again, I can choose to enhance my photos in wild and crazy ways, or just truly apply nice, appropriate updates. So here I've played with a variety of different kinds of things. There's all sorts of different filters here that I can choose from, and I can soften the image, enhance the image, crop the image. I can do a wild variety of things. I'm going to cancel that. Some of the other things over here on the left-hand side, this particular toolbar is very important. However, I can switch between toolbars. This is my lasso tool. This is my move tool, my marquee tool, and my wand tool. Those are all tools that we'll do a different tutorial on. We can add different types of line images here, etc. We can do erasures, obviously, and of course there's always the magic edit undo. I'm going to do that a couple times there. I can replace particular colors. I can do different types of drawings, and many different times, of course, as I do these kinds of drawings, I can go ahead and choose a variety of different kinds of things that allows me to just play with the image here. I'm going to go ahead and stop this tool, because now that you know where all of these tools are at, further tutorials will get us further into these tools. So see you in a bit.